Here are some confusing words. Most often we confuse when to use them. First one is especially. It is used whenever we talk about particularly. Okay. Second one is specially. Specially is used whenever we have to talk for a purpose. At the time we'll use specially. Next, further. Further is used whenever we whenever we talk about the distance. At that time we use. Next, further. Further is used whenever we talk about the degree. Next, older. Older is used to refer to a persons as well as to the things. So don't be confused. And elder is only used whenever we have to refer to a person. At the time only we use elder. Next, altogether. Altogether is used whenever we are talking about the complete action or in total. Okay. Although it is used whenever we talk about all in one place. At that time we'll use all together. Next, beside is nothing but next to, and besides is nothing but in addition to. Okay, got it everyone?